Hey everyone, check out the DRAXDOG folding backpack beach chair. Designed for ultimate comfort and stability with a unique triangular structure that supports up to 330 pounds. Crafted by an expert with 30 years of outdoor chair design experience, it features durable aluminum nuts for extra strength and a sleek metallic feel. This chair folds into a handy backpack that also stores towels, magazines, and essentials, perfect for camping, fishing, or a day at the beach. Setup is quick and simple with foldable Oxford cloth and metal poles, no special skills needed, and cleaning is just a wipe away. Enjoy ergonomic seating with breathable mesh panels that keep you cool while providing excellent back support. Plus, it's protected by global patents, ensuring you're getting a truly unique design. Just remember to tighten the nuts after assembly for maximum stability and comfort every time you use it. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.